you teach about the OOPS concept, ma'am, today?
About the OOPS concept.
Yes, ma'am.
OOPS concept. I will take up that tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because I need to prepare a notes for it and I have to give a code also for it. So we have in that we have encryption, I think absorption, encryption, and there are different types of
Details.
concepts in it. Okay, so I need to give you that notes as well. So I need to prepare that. So give me some time. I'll prepare that notes and I will take it. You want me to take the OOPS concept? I'll take it tomorrow then.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now only without the code or without preparing anything, I won't be able to teach you right now. Okay, because it gets a little complicated code for it. So
Okay.
I'll take up that tomorrow.
Ma'am, you can start Excel, ma'am, after you preparing the notes and you can teach this remaining concept, ma'am.
I'll take up that OOPS concept because it comes under Python only, no? But if I go to Excel will take a little time for me. 3, 4 class also at least it will take because we have formulas, we have a little bit formulas, we have yeah, we need to know. There are a lot of concepts to learn in the Excel.
Mm.
So it will take little time because we have pivot table, we have form the numerical formulas are there like sum ifs, all that will come into picture, average, all that. Then we have if statement, then we have v lookup, h lookup, all that will come into picture. So that will take time for me.
Ma'am,
Okay,
some
create.
concepts in SQL was missed, no, ma'am.
Uh-huh. I'll take up that in the end of the session. Okay, when I
Okay,
give the
ma'am.
summary of it, because that is not that important. Okay, that won't come under your interview as well. When you're giving an interview for SQL, there is one more concept which is not there in our syllabus but is important as data analyst or even as a business analyst. That is Windows function, which is not there in the syllabus. I need to take that also because it's an important concept which is missing. Okay, these are like many important concept which was not there in the syllabus, but I'm taking it. Okay, even this was the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and even what do you call MATLAB, Seaborn was not there in the syllabus, but still I'm taking it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are important when you're doing these projects and all. When I will give you the project at the end of the classes, but all these are required when you're doing for data analyst.
Okay, ma'am.
I can show you few LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn uh, job description, what you need to know so that you understand. Okay, 1 minute. Let me just log into my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is a little outdated, so but still, I'll show you the job description what they ask for. Give me a moment. Okay, if I say business analyst. Take the basic itself, like without the senior business analyst. I'll take the basic one. This is more into business thinking. Yeah, nothing in the technical part. Okay, so if you see messenger business. None of the technical part was there, so that's a reason. Statistics, data modeling, data visualization tools, ability to collaborate with the team. See, this one, see, work with SQL, manipulative and data manipulative language like Python and R. Uh, so yeah, statistics, strong in problem solving, and statistical techniques, communicate. See, these are the main things you need to learn, okay? So that's a reason I'm taking such classes. Okay, so here also, see, SQL, Tableau, Python, and statistics and data analytics. Okay, so these are the topics which are important when you're looking for jobs. So all these will come into picture. But oops concepts, yes, it's important, but that will not be used that much when you're doing the code. So the thing is, Python will help you to analyze the data. So all the OOPS concept, GUI, all that will help you in creating a website or such things. Mostly those are used for creating websites. You can use it, but these are the packages which are more direct or easy. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's the reason I have taken all of this without considering the syllabus. I'm taking all of this out of the topic because these are important questions or important for your career. Okay. Anyways, let me just and see on. Okay, let's continue. Let's not waste time. Okay. Anyways, so I think I've finished this one. We have created. Did I take this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Line plot.
Learn. Yes, ma'am. We have to do. We are doing that using multiple graphs, ma'am, like bar graph, line graph, and pie chart.
Bar graph and pie chart, I did this one, right?
Yes, ma'am. We are doing this due to network issue. No, didn't
Huh.
complete that
So I'll
last
start
class.
with Seaborn. So we have included Seaborn. So now we have two list of, this is the list of dates and this is the list of months. Okay. So what we are doing is converting it to data frame. So when you are having a SQL file or a Excel file, those are in the format of in the data frame structures itself, right? So data frame will not be supported in the matplotlib when you're doing data frames in the data frames like in the CSV file. All these are in the data frame format. So we need to so when there is a data frame, that time we use Seaborn methods to create our graphs. So we combine both of this. We combine matplotlib and Seaborn to customize our data. So here, see, as you can see here, we have using matplotlib as well, and even as Seaborn, both we are combining together to create a graph. Now, so I have created a canvas. This is the background. This is 9 inches and this is 5 inches. Now we have two different lists. Now that we have converted into data frame first. Then we have specified what is supposed to be the months, that is the x-axis. What is supposed to be the dates, that's going to be my y-axis. The data is from this data frame and the color of the line should be red, and the title I have kept it in the a plot that is matplotlib, and we are combining everything to show. Okay, as I run this data, as you can see, we have created a graph. Got it?
Ma'am, we should only write the code, ma'am.
Yes, you should write the code. This code,
The,
you
the
might
entire
have
thing, ma'am.
this data. Huh?
The entire thing, ma'am.
Yes. Even these, all are these are these are the codes you need to write. You will get it. It looks difficult, but when you so very easy. Okay. First thing, what we do is plot the graph. Plot, right? This is matplotlib. I'm showing you. This is a complicated one. Two things we have. First thing, we need to give the just imagine. Okay, just imagine. First thing, we need to create the canvas. This is the background I want to give. So background, what you gonna give? Uh, f- uh, the figure. The figure is this. Okay, I will create the figure. Now I have two graphs to plot. I have two graphs to plot. In the one figure, there are two graphs to plot, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In this, we need two graphs to plot. So we are doing the planning over here. So first plot of in the first canvas, two graphs are there. In this two graph, this is the first graph I'm plotting. So this is the first graph you are plotting. So in that, first thing what you have to do, and then you will forget this one. Only work on this. Okay. Now the thing is, first thing we will plot the graph. Whatever we need to do for plotting the graph, we have done that. Then we'll customize the title, axis length, label. Then we'll give the legend. Legend is this part. Okay. What does this line represent? It is showing that. Okay. And then legend, and in the location 2. How the location 2 is? This is location 1, this is location 2, this is location 3, this is location 4. This is the location 4. Wherever you want to put it, you will put that. And then done with one graph.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now go to the second graph. Plan it in your head. So go step by step. Don't rush to writing the code. Go step by step. What we are, first of all, what we are plotting and what has to be done. First, plot it off, then customize it. Plot it, customize. That's all.
We'll ask this in interview, ma'am, to write that to write this code and plot the
Some
graph.
people might ask, so, like mostly the questions will be on, uh, usually the questions will be on, what do you call, pandas, NumPy. How do you use NumPy? How do you use Panda? Okay, and what do you know about Matplotlib? All such will come into picture.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is like these. They will take your interview. Don't worry. Okay. Uh, yes. This I am giving. I am trying to take such topic which is important for your career in future. That's all.
Ma'am, you are doing notes in Google Colab now, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Give some theory, ma'am.
Theory also you want.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, I will have to prepare that Nidya then separately because which theory you want? Mostly
Ma'am,
that these are like practical stuff. So which theory if you want, if you specify it, I will try to. Otherwise, I'll give you PowerPoint presentation.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the Power PPT I will give you. Okay, whatever I have
Okay,
prepared, PPTs I will give it to you. Those.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. After this class, I have, I don't know how many PPTs I have. I'll check and I'll give you, okay? And then if you want more statistics, I have percentile you want, I will give you that. And This is oops concepts I have for Gene. If I go here, data cleaning, introduction to NumPy. Pandas you want also, right? So that one. Okay, whatever I have right now, I'll give you. Okay. Whichever I don't have, I will make it for you and I'll send it to you. Okay.
Okay.
So understanding percentile, this is percentile, you need that. IQR method, I need to send you that. And after that, matplotlib whole, okay, I'll give you the whole, I have created a table, okay, I'll give you that screenshot of the table. What are the different types of colors, what are the different type of marker, and what are the different type of line styling, all that information you'll get. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you those. That will take some time for me for preparing those. Okay. Today, whatever I have, I will definitely send it to you. But a few, I'll take a little more time for the theory part.
Okay.
Okay. Anyways, we'll continue this. Because 2 o'clock again, I have a class. Before that, I have to have my dinner, lunch and sit. Okay. Because after that, 2 to 3, I have a class. 3 to 4, I have a meeting, so I'm busy after that. So that's the reason. Okay, let's continue. Let's not waste time. Okay, now we have converted this list into a data frame. Okay, we have created into data frame. Then we have specified in when you're creating a line chart with Seaborn, that's we will plot it as line plot x, what is going to be my x, what is going to be my y, and what the data which we are using. Okay, and then I have specified here color. If you don't specify, it's going to give you the default color by itself. Okay, and then I have titled it, and you can see here we have plotted a line chart. Okay, now for example, I have a weather data set which has date, the city, what which city, what is the temperature, the humidity of it in the percentage, and we have wind speed, and we have condition, whether it's sunny, cloudy, foggy, rainy, all that information we have. Okay. Now this is for pie chart. Okay, so I have actually worked okay, leave this. Now, let's see. Let's try to create a histogram in the for the wind speed. Okay. Now we will understand. So first thing we have given the figure size, that is the background size. What is the background size? Now what is bins? So we have created a bins using NumPy over here and arrange it in the what is these arguments are. This is the starting and this is the ending and this is the interval it is creating. The list, it's creating a list, okay? It's creating a list with the range of starting is 0, that it starts from 0, ends from 25, and with the interval of 5, that is 0 to 5. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. These are the intervals. So in this data, this plot, that is distribution plot, I'm passing the column which I want, that is the wind speed column I'm passing. Okay, and then I'm putting bins in bins. What is this bins? This is bins. Okay, this is creation of the x-axis, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. So if I remove this, if I just remove it and plot the graph, I don't have any bins over here. As you can see, it has been plotted not with that in considering that interval. It is just plotting as the data says. So if I want to understand what is there in 0 to 5, I don't have any information because there is none. In 5 to 10, there is from 6. So what is this doing is, if I just run it again, as you can see, in 5 to 10, how many data points I have? Okay, how many datas are available? Okay, it will give me average for 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 10, 15 to 20. Understanding the bins concept?
Get one.
Huh?
Why we should add one?
So it will give you the crisp data. Okay, so now if I just remove it, okay, it is starting somewhere in between of 5 to 10.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
starting from 5 to 10. Now, somebody has asked to me, what is the data, how many data points we have, which is between 5 to 10. Are you able to say anything about it?
No, ma'am.
So, if I add bins over here, can you say how many data points we have? 3. If I go back to data over here, which are the percentage in wind speed which is coming under 5 to 10. I'll go to the data points over here, over this one, I guess. Yes, so which is 5 to 10. How many 5 to 10 data points we have? 1, 2,
Two.
3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if I see for oh, wait, let me just see the next one, which is between 10 to 15. If I go back, how many it is showing over here? 7.
7.
Right. If I go
Yes.
10 to 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I missed one. 7. Okay. Getting my point?
Yes. Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is easy for me to analyze. Right? The count
Yes,
between
ma'am.
15 to 20 is 4. Without seeing the data and without counting it, I could say that there is 4.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
That's why it's important for us to create a bin. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what is the KD is? KD is it will find the it will also create a line chart with it. It will also create a line chart with it. If I just remove this, send, remove everything. If I just make it true, if I just remove it also, it is true. Take it as true. If I just remove this and run it, as you can see, there is a line graph on top of it. Okay. Now, why I'm not putting the line graph on this means I don't want to know how the data flow is going. I don't want to understand because this is not going to be my permanent. I don't want to understand how the data form is going. But in the null values, I wanted to understand how the data flow is going, and I wanted to understand whether it is a normal distribution or not. So here, if I don't want the line chart or the to see how the trend of the data is going, you can remove if you don't want to see it, then you can give it as false. Okay, it will default will give you the line with it. So that's a reason I have put it as false. Okay, getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is the thing. Now we are creating the hist KWS will create your, it will customize your histogram. It will customize your histogram. First thing is color. we know it's red. I have created the red color, and the edge color, the line color, if I put K is for black. So I put K over here. What happened? Okay. Now the color, the edge color is okay. Now the line width. Why everything got changed? Yeah, probably I'll get an error. Okay. Now, if I change it to K, it will give me in black color. Okay. Now, the line width is, this is the width of the line. Okay. Line width will give me that. The line style, how the line style should go. That one. And alpha will give you the transparency. That means if I put 0, it gives me zero transparency. That means you won't be able to see the graph only. It ranges from 0 to 1. If I put how much percentage you want to see, if I put 9, it's a 0.59%. It's not dark. If I put 0.5, it gives me not so dark and not so light wala effect. Okay, so alpha will give you the transparency, and I have labeled it as wind speed over here. Okay, now then we have title of it. So here, if I don't pass X-tricks, okay, if I don't pass X-tricks, so what is the what does X-tricks will do is it will customize my X-axis. It will customize my X-axis. Now, if I don't pass the X-tricks over here. Okay, what will happen over here? As you can see, it has created my graph properly. It has given me the interval of 5 to, it is showing me how many points are there in between 5 to 10. It is showing me correctly. But there is an unwanted interval, unwanted values also in my x-axis, right? There is unwanted values in my x-axis. Are you there, Vidya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is unwanted points is also there in my x-axis. To avoid such thing, I use x-tricks. Okay, so it just gives me that interval. So there is no unwanted values as well. Okay, now what next, we have created a grid. This is the grid. Okay, I have customized the grid also, what color it should be, the line styling of it, the line width of it, and then I'm passing the legend. This is the legend. It is always default take in the second location. If I pass the location to be 4, it will create at the end, this end. Okay, if I created for 4, this will be the, this is going to be first, second, third, fourth. Okay, and then I have combined everything to show. Got it? Creation of histogram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's understand the scatter plot. let's understand the scatter plot. So first thing, we have sent the now I'm trying to understand the condition of each city and its temperature and its humidity. If this temperature is there and this humidity is there, what is the weather in that particular city? Understanding my question. So all of these four aspects I'm checking in one graph. I'm looking what is the temperature, what is the humidity of it, and also I'm looking for which location if this temperature is there, and what is the condition, whether it's cloudy, it's rainy, it's foggy, all such aspect I'm looking. So as you know, the temperature and humidity is the numerical value. So I can put it in the x-axis and y-axis. The city and the what condition is the not the non-numerical. So I'm putting in the ho and style. I'll explain what is the ho and style. So in this, I'm passing the data frame inside. That is the data I'm passing. What is the x-axis? It's going to be my temperature. What is going to be my y-axis? It's going to be um, the humidity. Okay. Now, ho, I have decided ho would be the colors, and that is different cities. So, blue represent Bangalore, orange represent Mumbai, so and so forth. Okay. And then style will represent the style of the points. The point style of the point will be represented by condition and the size of it. Okay. I'm passing the size of it. Now, okay, now if I've run this, as you can see, this data point, if I just consider this data point, it is telling me the humidity is around 65 and the temperature is around 25 point 25 26, almost 26. It is in Hyderabad. The condition is sunny. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I give here instead of humidity, I will pass wind. Okay. Wind speed as well. Okay, I'll pass the wind speed over here. As you can see here, so wind speed we have, and we have temperature. So here, if I take this value, this point, what it is representing, first of all, it's green, so it's Delhi, and it's foggy, and the wind speed is around 11, around 11, no, 9, and the temperature is around, if I say 16, right? So this is the scatter plot we have created, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can check for dates as well. If I in for the temperature to date, if I just run this. As you can see, in each state, what is going to be my wind speed in which country, which city, and their condition. I've understood everything in the single graph. Getting my point?
Ma'am.
Okay, the grid, we have created the grids over here so that it is more understandable, and the location, legend location also we got, and we combine everything to show it. Okay, we have one more heat map plot. I don't have time right. We don't have time right now. I'll finish this, then start with Excel tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you the notes around 6. No, I have 6 to 7. I have class. 7 to 8. I have class. So around 10, I will give you 10 o'clock in the night.
You can give morning also, ma'am.
Sorry.
You can give morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll do that. Early morning, I will send it to you because morning also I have class from 8 o'clock. So I'll send it to you by night. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.